Next, to check whether a number is divisible by 4 or not, what to do? You check the last two digits. That means the digit in ones place and the digit in tens place. Like here, okay? So you take this one, 76. Take 76, divide it by 4. 4 into 1, 4. 7 minus 4, 3. So 4 into 9, 36. We get no remainder 0. So that means this whole number is divisible by 4. Then you may have like 6, 7, 5. What to do? Check 7, 5. 7, 5. Divide by 4. 4 into 1, 4. 3, 5. 4 into what will be 35? We don't have. So that means this number cannot be divided by 4. Okay. So whether we can divide a number by 4 or not, what to do? Check only the last two digits. If the last two digits you can divide by 4, whole number can be divided. Okay. Then to check whether a number can be divided by 5 or not. Okay. So what to do? You check only the ending number. If the number ends with 5, we can divide by 5. If the number ends with 0, we can divide by 5. But if it ends with 1, 2, 3, then we cannot. Okay. So you will see, like suppose here, a number ends with 5, here ends with 0. So it can divide by 5. Here end with what? With 2. It cannot be divided by 5. Then next, whether a number can be divided by 6 or not. We have to see if we can divide it by 2 and also by 3. Then that is divisible by 6. But 6 you don't have to worry. You study this one, okay? 2, 3, 4 also you can leave 2, 3, 5. Then next one we will see by 9. 9 you have to do like 3. Plus all the number. If the sum we get is divisible by 9, then we can divide by 3. If not, then no need. Okay. Then here number 10. How can we check a number whether we can divide it by 10 or not? Here you see, a number is divisible by 10 if the digit of one's place is 0. Here also check only the last digit. If a number ends with 0, we can divide it by 0. If we cannot, then it cannot be divided by 0. Okay, like here you have no ending with 0. So that means we can divide it by 10. Here ending with what? With 5. We cannot divide by 10. Okay, is it clear? Then for 11, what to do? Difference between the sum. We have to take like this number you have here. Okay, 7, 2, 1, 4, 8. Plus one number, leave one number. Underline first this one. Underline first, leave second. Underline the third, leave the next, then next. Those we underline, we plus them together. 7 plus 1 plus 8. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Then we take those which we don't underline. 2 plus 4, we get 6. Then we minus this 2. Okay, 16 minus 6, we have 0. So you see. Then after we minus, that means the difference. If the even place is either 0 or multiple of 11. If we get 0, after we minus, we can divide it by 5. Oh, sorry, by 11. Or we make it 11, 22, 33. Okay. But here we get 10. So in this case, we cannot divide it by 11. So you may have another example. 2, 7, 8, 9, 6. Underline 1, leave 1, underline. So 2 plus 8 plus 6, we get 16. Then 7 plus 9, we get 16. 16 minus 16, 0. So here you see, we get 0. So that means this number can be divided by 11. Okay. So you read 2, 3, 5, 10 and 11. Okay. Because if we can divide by 3, 9, no need to worry. If we can divide by 2, no need to worry, 6. So remember, a number can be divided by 2 if the last number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. By 3, we have to plus all. If the sum is divisible by 3, then only we can divide by 3. Then by 4, check the last two digits. If we can divide it, then we can do. Number 5, check the last digit. If it ends with 0 or 5, we can divide by 5. If not, they are not. Then by 10, check the last digit. If we get it 0, we can divide by 10. If not, it is not. Then by 11, leave 1 plus 1, leave 1 plus 1. Then after that we minus. If we get 0 or 11, 22, 33, we can divide by 11. But if we get some other number, we cannot divide by 11. Okay, so enough for today.